Let me introduce myself. My name is Priscilla Atea, with student ID number is 23106721 from the Morning Management Company. Today I will make a video that is meant to fulfill my midterm examination, which is about creating education using the Mendeley application. So let's get straight to it. As you can see, I have already typed of reference source that we commonly use in our management assessment: journal article, both international and simple conference, proceeding, thesis or dissertation, and also a book in PDF format. Now we are going to migrate files into main so we can manage their data. I will demonstrate how to add this file to automate, but do it one by one to ensure the data. I'm going to show you the standard way to add journal reference using the add file menu. This method is highly recommend so we can silence our files more freely. First step, click the add or add new button in the top left corner of the main silence of the option. Once the file window, I pick them one by one. For this first one, sales and journal file, click the file and click open. Alright, the file is now in our list. Now let's check the details in the left handle. Even though we add it automatically via files, we still need to do data carefully. Make sure journal article is titled and ensure the title and author names match the PDF document. Journal ident. We'll check the journal number, determine how our bibliography will be in Microsoft later. Now for the other two, journal is an international journal or another national. One step, use the filler and perform the same. Data check. So I just show you the quick process here. Okay, now of our journals already in the library. Now that the journal are all set, let's move on the next file, the conference for CD, or what we usually call seminar proceeding. Just like before, we click add next, save files from computer, and I choose the proceeding file I've already prepared. And next, Next, click open and wait a moment for the upload process to finish. Now everyone, please pay close attention to the final order. This is absolutely forcing. Sometimes this or journal article inside of page. If the F manually change the type to conference proceeding. Why? So that the bibliography format will be correct and consistent later on. For a proceeding, elements are in title and author, just like with journal, and the title and author's name are accurate. Preceding title, this is important. A journal name here in enter the name of the seminar of conference, for example, proceeding of the international conference on management city. Next, we are to add or reduce dissertation as or reference. The process remains the same, like click add new sentence and file, click open file for the important thing. Now let's check the column on the right. Please make sure that the cell type is thesis. There is one additional column that we must pay attention to here, which is the university files. Ensure that original university name is in full. To check the year and department files, if they are available, having situation it belongs to finally we are going to add book as our, just like the previous step. We click add new sentence, the book file, and click open for the file to in our library. Now let's check the details in the right hand panel. Make sure that the cell type is book. In addition, to read the title and make sure that players and your verb are filled in. A man complete the city and edition with our citation beside document file. We sometimes use high quality videos from YouTube as reference. For this kind of search, we will need to add the information manually. The process is simple. Click add new, then silence add, enter manually in the type section, change film or video, what you want. Next, fill in the required data title, enter the title of the YouTube video. Author, enter the creator's name or the channel name. Publication, type in YouTube year, the year the video was uploaded, URL. Don't forget to copy and paste the video link into the URL file. This is important so that lecturer can verify the authenticity of the Now I will show you how to manually add a reference from a web page. The steps are click add news, then select add, enter manually in type section. Make sure to cell we pick the information we need to complete is the title of the article or the web, the name. If there is no personal or value, you can use the organization name, for example DPS Indonesia Publication, or website. Enter the name of the website, URL and access date. paste the full link and don't forget to include you access the website as online content over time. Finally, I'll share a special trick. What if we find a very relevant journal but it is behind a paywall? Don't worry, we can still get the data. Into the first method is to download only the metadata. Look for export or city button of this website, then choose the A, RIS or B text format. This all information PDF. Just add the file to via files and the data will populate automatically. What if you still need to read the full content? You can copy the two of the journal and use a tool like Minwi. Using the add files method we discussed earlier, by coming by text for metadata and size book for the documents, there's no reason to miss out any high quality reference just because of access now. What if our source is a physical book or a hard book with no PDF file? Can still handle it. Click at New, then select at Enter manually. Since it's a physical book, make sure the type is set to book. We need to manually type from the book's title page. Enter the title. Enter the full title of the book. Types the name. Remember, use the last name. Format for exotype, the year it was published, publisher, the name of the publishing company, city, and edition for physical books. These two are very important. Enter the city of publication and the specific edition of the book. Even though there is no PDF icon and the data is now as save as a reference, so when we in the word leader, to the format will be perfect and follow scientific standard. Next, I will demonstrate how to cite the different level of theory for repetition. For things management, I already prepared the quiz on the screen. In this first paragraph, we have migraine theory. I am the definition of operation management from the book by Zai Haiyan and Beryl Linder. This theory serves as the major foundation for how product activities and values accretion are managed. Their book and click insert citation. Next, we move to the middle rank theory here using the chain management theory by Zola. This theory connects operation management with the distribution flows of goods to the customers. Again, we click on the corresponding theory is particle theory that here discussed by research variable with its inventory management. I will bring back and render for the technical aspect regarding safety stock and inventory inventor efficiency. Let's insert one last time so that the complete tutorial on using manually to support our research methodology. We have covered everything from importing journal proceedings and physical books to systematically making our way to chapter 2. I hope this tutorial enable everyone to produce near and more credible academic work. Remember, education digital monitoring management to high quality research. Okay, thank you for watching for my video. Bye bye.
Al